I used to get stuck all the time trying to come up with content for my social media pages for my small business until now. I discovered this ChatGPT prompt that makes it so much easier to come up with great content for my social media pages, no matter what platform. Let's dive in. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. It's super simple and easy. So, the first thing that I do, here's my prompt, is I have this prompt, and here's how it works. As a professional social media marketer, that's basically you're telling ChatGPT, you be a professional social media marketer. Outline a content strategy for social media platform, right? So for whatever platform it is that you want. So whether your Instagram page, your Facebook page, whatever, develop a detailed plan including content themes, post frequency, and engagement tactics, right? So you're trying to get this comprehensive idea of what you should be posting on your business page. My small business is a type of business, and then I should actually outline this too, and I'll put this prompt in the description below, don't worry. But then put in where you're located. And then last thing, incorporate things about, and then the trends that you're after, right? So whatever trending in your industry that you're trying to talk about, or I'll put here slash your value proposition, okay? So here's what happens when I plug that into ChatGPT. So I pretended that I was a dog groomer. So, and just for my business Facebook page. So business Facebook page, and then small business is a pet grooming business in Norwich, New York. And then incorporate things like natural pet grooming, creative dog grooming styles, square face, round faces, and pet nail art. Those are all things that I literally just Googled because I don't actually own a pet grooming business and found are trending in the industry. It hit me with an awesome amount of content to post about. So it says right here, to increase brand awareness, customer loyalty, and bookings. That's the objective. That makes sense by leveraging Facebook and becoming the go-to in Norwich, New York. Target audience, pet owners in and around Norwich, New York. So it understood me really well. And then content pillars. So here's like what I should be posting. Educational posts. Dive deep into the benefits of natural grooming products, why they're better, and how they work. That sounds awesome. Behind the scenes, showcase our grooming process, introduce my team, and give a glimpse into the days at Paws and Glitz. So it just came up with a name because I didn't give it one. Transformation stories, before and after grooming photos, focusing on different grooming styles, especially the square and round faces and the nail art, right? So I stay on trend. And then customer spotlights, feature testimonials, stories, or photos shared by satisfying pet owners. And then local engagement, engage with Norwich events, landmark, or other local businesses. This might include participating in community events and supporting local charities, and then I can tie that back in. It's suggesting that I post 5 posts per week, so one from each of these content pillars. That's great guidance. And then the weekly content breakdown, it tells me the days of the week I should try to do it. And then it gives me an idea, like meet Jake, our lead groomer. He loves giving your pets. So it gives me an idea of the type of post I could do too. So you see it really is helpful in that way. And then engagement tactics, it's suggesting that I use polls and surveys, contents, try to get my users to want to be featured to take advantage of Facebook Live, and then offer collaboration. So it gives me really well-defined types of things I should be working on. And then engagement best practices. So it's telling me how to respond promptly, give it a personal touch, pin a post, and engage back. So like, share, and comment, and then check out my analytics. So now you can see I don't have to be confused about what I should be posting on my small business Facebook page because ChatGPT just gave me an outline for an excellent Facebook page for my business. If you like this video, please subscribe. We're trying to help small business owners leverage AI tools to help grow their business and attract more customers. And give this video a like so that more people see it who are trying to grow their small business as well. Thanks so much, and check out the next video.